Hi there, Justin Terhune here with Inaba Denko America, and thanks for tuning in for another tips and tricks install video. Now today's video, we're going to take a closer look at Inaba Denko America's wall inlet coverings. We'll discuss a couple options that might be available in your area, the differences between the two, and even some situations where you might prefer one over the other. All right, so we'll jump right in. We've got the SW and the SWA wall inlets, and at first glance you'll notice they look quite similar, but if we look just a little closer, you'll notice the SW is a two-piece design. It actually has a base and a cover, and the SWA is a single-piece design. It's just got the cover itself. The first thing that I will note, if you are using any sort of a wall inlet to run your line sets, you're going to want to stick with the SW with the base, because on the back of here we've actually got an outline. This will slide right in, and make a nice seal right inside there. Okay, so if you're using a wall sleeve, stick with the SWA. It's your safe bet. Now the SW, once we've drilled our hole for the line sets, we'll get a level, make sure this is nice and level, put one anchor screw here, run our Slimduct, run the line set out, so on and so forth. And once that's done, we're ready to pop the cover on. First, I'll point out that the wall covering of the SW has the same stopper and the same plastic nipple that you're used to with most of our fittings. So we'll be able to pop out that oval perforation, line that up with the nipple, line the two screw holes up. You'll notice we've got a nice indentation here. That's for a solid bead of caulking. We'll line those three up, put one more anchor in, put our set screws in, and that's done, right? So we're now protecting the entry point, and we're securing the cover of your Slimduct to make sure that it doesn't slide down over time. So if that is a concern of yours on your vertical applications, go ahead and probably stick with the SW. Now the SWA, same concept. In my opinion, just a little bit easier application, because when you're done, you just pop it on, put your three anchor screws in, and you're completely done. Don't forget your caulking. Always use your caulking. One cool feature of the SW, however, because we don't have the nipple or the stopper, we have a little bit of freedom and flexibility with where we put the actual wall covering. So long as we've got about an inch of Slimduct inside the wall inlet, everything's protected. We're in good shape. But if you've got two exit points on one side of the house, you want to make sure they're even, just for aesthetics. You have a little bit of flexibility there. However, if you're doing a vertical application, make sure you finish out with an end fitting, because we want to make sure that that doesn't slide down over time. Vibration, weather, things of that nature. Okay, so those are the two options available to you. As always, I highly encourage you to check out our full product offering, inabadenko-america.com. You can see all the sizes and colors available to you. And if you have questions, please reach out to us on LinkedIn, Instagram. We love to communicate with you. And if you found the video helpful today, please give it a thumbs up, and we'll see you next time.